All right, hey John. I appreciate all your help on this, man. You're saving me. So here's the turbo in question. Anyway, she's practically new, as you can see. It was on the car for I think 3 months, and then obviously, as I said in the PM, engine developed rod dock. Anyway, yeah. So she was sitting for a good, I would say 6 months, but anyway, what I wanted to show you was there is zero shaft play in this thing, like absolutely none. Here, I'll turn on my light so you can see it a little better. I cannot turn on my light. Hold on, let me just get another light here. Alright. See if I can hold this and do it at the same time. So there is zero, none, zilch shaft play in here. She spins, but she's firm. Like she won't continue spinning. Blades look okay. Everything seems to be smooth. Both ends of the turbo here. Here's the inlet. Everything looks good in here. And again, that's all she'll spin right now. Anyway, any help is appreciated, sir. And she's going on this guy right here. All right, thanks.